Well, sometimes you just gotta suck it up and get your work done in the dark. So what do you have for breakfast here for us?
Yogurt parfaits.
Good morning! We were able to pull down a ton of siding last night. Turns out you don't need very much light to pull old siding off. We left some pieces like this. Woo, there you go, now you can see it. That we needed to work around things because we really did need full daylight for that. So finally, on the last two walls, it looks like layout is going to be friendly to us. Our sheets are 48 inches wide, so we'll be able to put 2 full sheets there and a couple partials to fill this all out. But on this addition part, layout is a whole lot better and they kept the studs even. And so over here, same thing, we'll be able to do 2 full sheets and a partial to finish off. This is all we have left. And then we'll have to do the gable up there. We've got a fiber box over here, and unfortunately we're gonna have the PUD come out and remove it because they have a special fitting so that people like us can't take off their things. We'll have them take it off and then put it back on after we put the siding behind it. Fiber internet guy came and he was able to take the box off. We put the piece right up and put the box right back on. It was super quick and slick, and we got all the rest of the large pieces up on our house of siding. Here's what it's looking like now. We have a little piece left up there, a little chunk there and a little chunk down the side, and then the gable left. But guys, let me tell you, I totally overestimated the amount of siding we were gonna need. I think we probably have 20 full boards left over. I bought 60 total, and I'm gonna go count and make sure when we get home tonight. But we really have a lot of extra, which is both good and bad. Good because we have extra siding to use on some of our other projects, which we always have more projects, but also bad because it cuts into our tiny budget that we have on this house. So for the rest of the day today, we are switching gears, and we are now going to be working on trim and batten up front so we can take advantage of the warm weather for a few more minutes. That right there is the first piece of batten.